I really like zooming into the map. And here's why, because like this map right here that you guys see that we built the heat map on top of, this is Google Maps that we build it on top of. And this is where we're trying to rank our Google My Business. And these ones that are larger and larger print are Google saying the areas that they think are more prominent in these areas. So using this strategy to determine the neighborhoods, I think is smart, but you can cross-reference this stuff. I don't think that's a bad idea. You know, I'm sure Google knows the population, and maybe there's more to meet the eye than just looking at the neighborhood names. But I would definitely pay attention to the ones that are on Google in like the bold print that are sticking out, because Google's doing that for a reason, right? And you'll notice that, like, if you look in any city around the country, like a city that you know, and you look at those like neighborhoods, it'll line up with stuff that you know, right? They're not picking, for the most part, they're not picking like random things that don't matter.